Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to duplicate the post in WordPress without plugin. Let's get started. So I have in here the post on my WordPress dashboard, and I just need to head over and then just try to duplicate them. So just try to open one of them. I have in here this test post. Just click on this edit, and you should be able to see your actual post. So what you can do in this case is you can head over and then just click on the settings right here, which is this icon. And you can see in here all of the blocks and all of the posts that you have. So what you can do is you can just click on this right here, which is three dots, and scroll down, and you can see in here this option for copy all blocks. So let's click on this right here, copy all blocks. Then once you have done that, let's head over right here. And for example, let's add in here a new post. Once you have clicked on that, you can head over and open and see what it looks like from in there. So here's our new post. Just click on these three dots in here as well and scroll down, and you can see in here this option in here for all update. You have in here this all blocks, but we don't need that. So what you can do in this case, you can just head over and paste it from in here. So in order to do this, I just head over and then just click on this Control V on my keyboard. And as you can see, all of this has been pasted. Now you can actually head over and then add in here a new title that you want for this one. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.